Welcome students. Today we will continue with exercise 11.2 question number 6. Hope you have finished the homework of exercise 11.2 up to question number 5. Also have sent the check your progress. Children, don't skip those sums because those are also equally important because you need to know variety of sums to understand the basic concept. So children, here today question number first we will be starting question number 6. So here you have to take out angle x and y. So here you see angle x we will write here. Let's name it. So angle y is equal to, first we will write, students please focus, angle y is equal to x. Reason, I am writing v dot o dot angles, that is vertically opposite angles are equal. So here also angle ABC you have to name. You just cannot write angle B. In geometry it is very important. ABC. So angle ABC is equal to also angle x. Again the same reason. Also angle BAC you have to write like this. Angle BAC is equal to angle x. Same reason. So x plus x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore 3x is equal to 180 degree or x is equal to 60. So thus x is equal to 60 degree. This is find the value of x and y in each case in the following diagrams. Now question number 2. So let us see question number 2. Here we have to find out x. I hope you can see the diagram. Angle x is equal to 180 degree minus 125 degree. Reason always you have to write. You just can't only do the calculation. Please do write the reasons. So here you will write linear pair, or you can write exterior angle plus interior angle is equal to 180 degree. So here 55 degree it comes angle x. See, this is also angle x, this is also angle x. So we will write y plus x is equal to 180 degree. Of course you will write the reason. What is the reason, students? Sum of all angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Sum of all angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Therefore y plus 2x is equal to 180 degree. So here you see 2x is, we have taken out 55 degree. Therefore y plus 2 into 55 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore y is equal to 180 minus 110. Therefore y is equal to 70. So now let us come to the third part. Let us see, students, observe the diagram minutely. Here it is given y 50 degree, x 70. So first you have to see that which two criteria are given. Then you have to find the third criteria. So 50, 76. Let's name it once again. A, B, C, D. So in triangle ADC you can see that 50 degree, 76 degree. Oh no, it is 70 degree. 50 degree, 70 degrees are already given. So very well you can find out. So very well you can find out, students, very well you can find out 50 plus in triangle ADC, in triangle ABC, 50 degree plus 70 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. Reason you will write sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So here x is directly I am writing 180 minus 120, 60. Now this 60 you have taken out. So this is your linear pair. So angle you will write. Students, please try and understand. Here you have taken out. So why do we need to take out this? To take out y. Because again angle ABD is a triangle. So you will write here angle ADB. Angle ADB is equal to 180 minus 60 degree. And each time, my dear students, you will not forget to write the reason. That is why I am solving a all. Linear pair. Because it is a very neat way of representing. So 120 degree. Now in triangle ADB, children, as I am lacking space here, I'll just write 36 plus, therefore 36 plus 120 plus y is equal to 180 degree. So y is equal to 180 minus 156 degree. Therefore y is equal to 54. Solved. So let's do the next sum. Students, come to question number 7. This is 7 part 1, where you have to find out again x. So here you see that in this triangle ACB, here we have to find out the value of x. So here you see that ED is parallel to BC. So very well, you can see very clearly that this particular angle is corresponding to this. Shading it. These two angles are corresponding angles. So you have to write number 1, angle CBD is equal to angle EBA is equal to 50 degree. Reason, on short I am writing CORR dot. This means corresponding angle is, again in short, are equal, again in short. Corresponding angles are equal. So children, here you see corresponding angles are equal. 50 degree. So here if it is 50 degree and this part, you observe children, this is again linear pair. This is a straight line. So you can write angle AED is equal to 180 degree minus 95 degree. That is equal to 85, and you will write linear pair within curly bracket. So thus you will write in triangle EAD. Now we have this. Now we can very easily find x. Therefore x plus 50 degree plus 85 degree is equal to 180 degree. Reason, don't forget to write sum of all angles in a triangle symbols is equal to 180 degree. Now implies that sign should be given x plus 135 180 degree, angle x is equal to, or x is equal to 180 minus 135 degree. Therefore x is equal to 45. Solved. Now question number 2. Here also let's name it PQR. I'll name it S, and here we have to take out both y as well as x. So you can see very well here that this particular angle, linear pair, that is angle QSR, number 1, angle QSR is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree. Linear pair that is equal to 80 degree. Now in triangle SQR, triangle SQR, 60 degree plus 80 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. Sum of all angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. 140, x is equal to 180 minus 140. Therefore x is equal to 40. Now again in triangle PSQ. So here you see children, first you see PQR. So here we have y, we have found out this one. This angle we have found out, this angle we have found, this angle we have found. Now you have to find out 60 degree, this and this. So here how to find out? Now number 2. students, a criteria is given in the book in 7 part 2 that angle P is equal to 3y. Angle P is equal to 3y. So here already x is taken out. So now in triangle PQS, we will write in triangle PQS, that is this particular triangle. So it's very easy, simple. Y plus 3y plus 100 is equal to 180 degree. 4y is equal to 180 minus 100. 4y is equal to 80. Y is equal to 20. So thus we have found out x and y. Now children, here as we are lacking some space, this sum. Let's see part third. So part third, I hope you are part third children. First we have to find out, this is given 52 degree, 80 degree, 143 degree. So here first name it A, B, C, D, E. So first let us take the bigger triangle in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, 80 degree plus 52 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. Sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. 132 plus x 180 degree. X is equal to 180 minus 132 degree. X is equal to 48. Now you see, thus we have found out x. Now let us find, this was number 1, number 2. Now we will find z. Z is linear pair. So angle z is equal to 180 degree minus 143 degree, 37 degree. Right linear pair. And now we have known x, z. We have to find out y. So third you will write in triangle AED. Angle AED, x we have found out 48 degree, z we have found out 37 plus y 180 degree. Don't forget to write the reason. Sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So it's 15, 85 plus y 180 degree. Y is equal to 180 minus 85 degree. Therefore y is equal to 95. So now we'll proceed to next question 8, 9, 10 and 11. Students, before starting exercise 11.3, there are two small rules which you need to follow. Like this is an isosceles triangle, so all of you know that two sides are equal in a triangle are called isosceles triangle. So here the rule 1 is that angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. That is, here you see AB is equal to AC. Therefore, what is the angle opposite to the side AB? Angle C. Therefore, angle C. And what is angle opposite to AC? Angle B. Therefore, angle C will be equal to angle B. Rule number 1. Rule number 2 is just the contrary. That is, side opposite to the equal angles are equal. That is, here you see, if it is given angle B is equal to angle C, then what is the side opposite to angle B? AC. And what is the side opposite to angle C? AB. AC is equal to AB. Following these two statements, we will do the sums. Now, I will be explaining question number 1. Question number 1, excuse me. Question number 1, part 2. Question number 2, part 3. And 3, part 3. 3, part 3 I will be explaining. And today I will be winding off. Now, here you see question number 1, part 2. Here, it is already, we have to find out x. So, here children, let's name it ABC. So, angle BAC is equal to 180 minus 110 degree, 70 degree. Reason, linear pair. So, if this is 70 degree, we have to find out x. So, children, if because it is given AB is equal to AC. So we have to write here the reason. Angle, we have to write number 2. Be very systematic, don't hurry. Angle ABC is equal to angle ACB is equal to X. Reason, AB is equal to AC. I have given it in the assignment also. So this is also X. So therefore, X plus 70 degree is equal to 180 degree. Reason you will write sum of all angles in a triangle 180. 2x 110 because I am doing direct, children. X is equal to 55. Solved. Question number 2, part 3 you see here. Let's name A, B, C. If this is 50 degree, this and this line are parallel. If this is 50, then this is also 50. As it is isosceles triangle, so this will also be 50 degree. So if this is 50, this is 50, then 50 plus 50. So you have to write the reason also. That here you will write corresponding angles equal. I have given in the assignment. And this 50 is equal to 50 because AB is equal to AC. So 50 plus 50 plus X. 100 plus X is equal to 180 degree. Therefore X is equal to 80 degree. Part 3. You see here this side is equal to this. So this is also X. So 2x plus, it is 48 degrees. So 2x plus 48 is equal to 180 degree. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 48 will be 32, 132 degree. So x is equal to 66. So here directly I have solved, say x 66 degree. Now if this is 66 degree, we have to find out this linear pair. So 180 minus 66 is how much? 114. So if this is 114, this side is equal to this, so this will be y. So 114 plus y is equal to 180 degree. Therefore 2y 180 minus 114, that is equal to y is equal to 23 degree. Solved. I have given it in the assignment. So students, for today I am winding up and in the next class we are meeting and will be solving the next part of this exercise 11.3. Till then, bye students. Thank you.